The ranch has been in my wife's family since 1926. The family has been living there ever since, every generation, and it's been just the most amazing experience. My name is Jason Thigpen. I own and operate Texas Heritage Woodworks. We live and operate in Menard, Texas, which is a real small town, almost in the dead center of the state of Texas. I just do a little bit of everything. If it's something you can do with your hands, odds are I've tried it or I want to try it. When somebody orders an apron from us, I lay down the patterns that we're using and cut out all of the individual components. Once that's taken care of, everything goes over to my sewing machines where I do all the hems for the outer edges. Once it's been all stitched together, we have copper rivets that we put at all of the stress points. And when it came time for cutting rivets, KNIPEX tools had some side cutters. I've had that same pair for 3 or 4 years now, and I've easily cut 500,000 rivets with it. So once we finish with the rivets, if it has any kind of embroidery or logos that are to be done on it, it goes inside to our embroidery sewing machine. And after the straps are on there, the apron is done and it's ready to be shipped off to the customer. This building was built in early 1900, and after years of not being maintained, the roof started to leak really bad. It was just a huge mess. I asked my wife, I said, hey, what's the story with that Walensky building in town? That would be a really, really awesome place for the Texas Heritage headquarters. I just saw my operation expanded and working in this space. And I knew then that we had to have it. There's so much to do, so trying to fit in a renovation on a building that's 10,000 square feet, that's a lot of work. Today, I had to finish up wiring one wall in the building with outlets. There were quite a few of my KNIPEX tools that I pulled out of my arsenal to complete the job today. Probably my favorite tool from KNIPEX that I've got so far is their new forged electrician's pliers they have. They are just unreal. Having the right tool for the job is everything, absolutely everything. The growth of this building, things on the ranch, everything that we do, a lot of it's going to rely on KNIPEX tools just because they're the best, absolute best.